Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to smash the like button. People are blaming and dragging Umekji for ruining a relationship by Bandwana Ugoslubi and Usima Mangolwane. So Usima and Ghost broke up because of Umekji Gesana because Usima uhambe waya out with Meg G boss yakhe, mind you, Meg G boss yakhe baya eklabhini. Bafika eklabhini ebusuku, uGhost just kept on calling video call, afonela ugele eva bamba wagqine ugele angasayibambi ifoni, and uGhost started fuming ke sana, saying ukuthi wayangayibambi ifoni, like yena ufuna kumcheck nje ukuthi right, kwendakalani, is she safe nani nani. So after that, uGhost decided, you know what, it's shy, I'm not get lona. uGhost washia Usima. And now people are saying, it's because of you when andangala, when I make G, because when nemntwana ebusuku, and the way beka khuluma ngakhona make story sakhe adefenda ngakhona, saying ukuthi hey Sima umntwana utowendana naSima ngamentana Sima, because Sima, she's a child, and people are saying ukuthi hey bana, why lokuqenzetela ukuthi Sima is a child, why ungathi wena ushadile, wengohlala nemndeni wakhe ebusuku uhambe wena uyohlala naSima ebusuku eklabhini, umnika nini unalady isikhathi. So some people are even saying ukuthi this guy doesn't respect unalady. Yes, akanankinga unalady, mhlambe ngapha akanankinga nokuthi uhamba nabani ebusuku, but the fact that you're married and unesikhathi sokuhamba emaklabhini ebusuku with your employees, it's giving niyafunana wena naSima, you're just saying ukuthi hey mntwana, so that bantu bangakhulumi ngayo, but uGhost une-rights yokuthi akwade because wendani ne-girlfriend yakhe ebusuku emaklabhini, no you and there's no one else. So some people are saying ukuthi wrong vele Meg G, like has very wrong ukuthi ahambe naSima ebusuku babo yi-two, and uGhost vele bekumele aqabange kuthini. And now ushema ugirl uyagowisha akaggo uyapherisha, because one thing about uSima, we know ukuthi uSima loves uGhost Lubi, uyamthanda ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke, but lola kwendile she really fumbled. And uyalubhala ama-sad post, ufaka ama-video la-sad, nkosi yami. We all thought ukuthi this is just a publicity stunt, benda labadume ngako ima-video yabo, ama-prank, bahlala bayasipranka nje uSima. That's why abantu abazange bayithathe serious indaba yabo isaqala, but no, siyabona ukuthi it's serious, because uGhost Lubi even did a video explainer. And guess what, uGhost Lubi awusebenzise i-video yami. I uploaded that video, spreading humors like bakhuluma khona ngaye, and uGhost decided to use that video akhulume ngaye, and I was like, that's my video. I did that. So yeah guys, this is wrong. Mina ngiyam-understand uGhost Lubi. I really don't wanna lie, ngiyamvisisa mina lo mfana ukuthi uzama kuthini, ngiyamvisisa ukuthi ufila njani. It's wrong man, you can't go out with someone's hand bese expect ukuthi that person angafoni, makafona that person kube ngazuthi wrong umfonela insecure. No, please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.